This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Josh Bradley. Great opportunity for an end-use buyer or a minimal maintenance investor. Conveniently located, this 3-bedroom/2-bath townhome is turnkey move-in ready for its next owner. There is a bedroom and a full bath on the main level. An additional primary suite and another bedroom on the second level. This unit is in the rear of the development and backs up to woods. It is also an end unit. Major component updates include roof 2012, hot water heater 2017, HVAC 2015, new fixtures 2017, laminate hardwood flooring 2019, oven/range 2019, and complete crawlspace encapsulation 2019. For more information, review the details below or contact Josh Bradley at 865-584-4700.